dapat inspired ta permi. That's why I challenge you to look at your side sa right and say, I challenge you. No? I inspired you. No? Inspired. Oh, atong ibalik para mura magodog dry na galay ang ato ang working environment, tapos ang ato ang mga faces dry pud kayo, no? Dapat we welcome the first day of the week nga gasige tag smile because according to some kanang mga wise men a smile is contagious. So kung mag-smile ka, imong tanawon imong katapa nag-smile pod, magtakot-takot na siya. So that means we are really inspired, no? Knowing that according to our speaker, we are still in the month of February, which is a big month.
Let us hear a message from our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan A. Cabot, sir.
Thank you, guys. To our Ardo, Senior Superintendent Fabri, other regional staff, of course, our Tayani Speaker, fellow firefighters, maayong buntag sa tanan. First of all, thank you very much for the preparation atong ang Kalingawan, no, last Friday. No, although wala nag-pop out ang uban ng mga singles, but still kanang tawag successful. Hope it will be continued, no, next year na po. Nindot tong topic sa ato ang speaker, if you really listen, no, daghantag mga nakatunan nato. And sa ako on my part, usara gyud ang ako ang murag conclusion with regards to the topic that everything happens for a reason. That either give you a lesson to learn or a lesson to live, no? Nung biyaan ng dili kay nahitabo na muumot gihapon ka. So you have to move on. Maura to dihara ko. Kamo na lang po sabot sa inyo, ha. This week doon na tayo daghang mga activities considering that our new regional director will be coming tomorrow. Based on information, karon ng ilahang turnover dito sa National Headquarters. So, nagpalukat na siya ticket tomorrow, and I think some of you are part of the preparation at El Salvador, no, para sa arrival and interfacing. So, I think ang uban nag-prepare na sa mga andamon, like katong dice, kay our regional director will be kanang i-arrive siya nato, no, doon siya arrival honor prior to the start of the interfacing. Yan, nawala naman tong dice nga tong gigamit din katong time ni Sir Dueñas o gikaon na tong bukbok. So nagbahin mo tag otro and other things. So ang katong mga designated task based on the different committees, no, malihog lang kong review sa inyong trabaho. Number one challenge nato is the transportation. Magamit man siguro ng Proswin. Panunta kinsay ato ang matap kung pwede ma-turnover na tong ban. Ilang i-turnover kay sa kuang nainumduman during the testimonial honor ni Sir Lawson last time na nangulam ta sa PNP ban sa Alagar, kita may nagkuha sa ilaha, no, hatod kuha. Now wala tayong magamit kung di nato ito mamalihaw kong pakontak ni Brian kung pwede ba ay lang ingon nga uli hulaman hulaman ang van para sa transportation sa mga members sa PNP van na mag-lead sa ato ang arrival honor. So, I think so far maulan na ang ato ang mga activities. We just don't know yet what are the mga guidance nga ihatag, but basin sa Wednesday we have kanang conference din mga department heads with RD. Pag-una po dato ang tatay unta, we have a good relationship sa iyaha, no, dili dry like what we experience now, because it really affects our daily kanang trabaho. Kung sa ingon pa ni Sir Arbutante, dapat inspired ta permi. That's why I challenge you to look at your side sa right and say, I challenge you, no? I inspired you, no? Inspired. Atong ibalik para mura magodog dry na galay ang ato ang working environment, tapos ang ato ang mga faces dry pud kayo, no? Dapat we welcome the first day of the week nga gasige tag smile, because according to some kanang mga wise men, a smile is contagious. So kung mag-smile ka, imong tanawon imong katapa nag-smile pod, magtakot-takot na siya. So that means we are really inspired, no? Knowing that according to our speaker, we are still in the month of February, which is a fifth big month. Again, trabaho lang ta based on what the assigned task na gihatag sa ato. Thank you and good morning once again.
Thank you for your words of wisdom and reminders, sir. Let's now sing with honor and pride the PNP hymn. That concludes our traditional Monday flag raising ceremony. This has been your host, FO1 Girly R. Ayaay. Thank you, and let's have a safe and productive week ahead.
So,